Question. P.S. Out of the entire investment, John invested 1/3 in stocks and invested 1/4 of the remaining in funds. If the final remaining investment is $6,000, then what was the initial amount of the investment? Solution. IV Approach 1. Local ratio. The main concept is that in the local ratio, the part becomes the whole. IV Approach 3-1. LCM. Least common multiple and fractions. One of the IV approaches is to attach the least common multiple, LCM, of the denominators to the question. If we are dealing with fractions, then we attach the LCM of the denominators of the fractions to the related initial letter. We have to find the initial amount of investment if John invested 1/3 in stocks, 1/4 of the remaining in funds, and the final remaining investment is $6,000. Here, we will take the initial investment as 12 times I, and why we take it as 12 times I is very important. 12 is the LCM, which is least common multiple of the denominator 3 and 4 of the two fractions 1/3 and 1/4. That is, LCM of 3, 4, and I is just the initial letter of the word investment. That's right. As explained above, we are using the least common multiple of the denominators. So the investment in stocks is 1/3 of 12 times I, which becomes 4 times I, and the remaining is 12 times I minus 4 times I equal to 8 times I. Now, the investment in funds is 1/4 of the remaining, or 1/4 of the 8 times I. So 1/4 times 8 times I equal to 2 times I. The final remaining after the two investments is 12 times I minus 4 times I minus 2 times I equal to 6 times I, which equals to $6,000. So if 6 times I equal to $6,000, 12 times I to the initial investment will be 2 times 6 times I equal to 2 times $6,000. That equals to $12,000. So D is the correct answer. You should remember that the words the remaining and the final remaining means local ratio, and using the least common multiple of the denominators is one of the IV approaches. Okay, this one clearly shows the recent trend of local ratio questions in the GMAT. Answer D.